We are going kayaking today. Whee! It smells like shit.
Does it?
Yeah.
The river just smells like shit. I mean, you can try draining them more. There's the drains on the end.
Yeah, Blake's never done this before.
It was on a float. You probably don't have. Yeah. Probably got to.
Blake, you gonna eat shit?
Yeah, you gotta have some stuff there.
Is it cold? Oh, it's a little cold. I'll back it up, hop in, I'll push you in, I guess. It's not gonna, I wanted to hook it here, but it just goes flat down. You ready?
Yeah.
Well, oh fuck, Fred, you're a little.
What else if I start?
Just don't, oh, there's a big rock there. Told me that. You gotta push yourself off though. Whoa. Just put my whole bag in the water. Just put my whole bag in the water.
Yeah, put the rest of the water in. Nice. Yeah, is that gonna sink? The water in there?
Didn't spray my legs with sunscreen. We out here kayaking. Yeah. They're both on. Huh?
Two go? Oh.
Yeah, I got two going.
I do GoPro the whole trip. It's like 5 hours.
Not the whole trip. This thing feels so weird.
Why?
I feel like I'm gonna tip on it.
There's supposed to be extra stable.
Yeah, extra stable.
Just don't get past the tipping point.
It doesn't matter which way we go. We all meet up again anyway. That way it looks more fun. I'm not gonna lie. I'm going right. It looks funner. Yeah, left looks boring, pansies. Oh my god, this big ass rock right here. Oh, I'm gonna hit it. Ah! I haven't gone on a bike ride since he took me to Pittsburgh. I was fucking brutal. I just need to spray on it. I know sunburn on the fucking legs.
Dude, that's the worst.
Yeah.
That was I told my girlfriend, I was like, make sure you spray my legs real good.
Why does it sound like that?
It might be getting low, I'm not sure. But, yeah, on the thighs when you're trying to work in the heat, that's so bad.
I don't know why it sounds. Oh, ah! Yeah. Oh.
Nevin's backwards.
I am backwards.
Dude, as soon as you stop paddling, it instantly.
I didn't close that.
Two hours later.
We didn't honk the horn. I didn't know we were racing. I keep thinking of that meme. In the light, in the dark, come. And then the guy flips over and then he flips back up. You know what I'm talking about? I don't know. That like really fat guy. I'll put it in the video if I make.
See the line where the sky meets the sea. It calls me, and no one knows
How deep it goes, and it seems like it's calling out to me.
2 hours later.
Yeah. That was pretty fucking cool. That was pretty good for the first one.
Alright, gotta rethink my strategy.
I'm pretty good at this. I'm pretty good at this. Fuck, I'm gonna try this one. We're going triangle, big. Got 4. Not like that. You need to spin more. Like I literally like.
Spin more?
Yeah, I literally go like this and like spin the whole entire thing. Oh my god! See how far? You guys don't even see that one. It was way out there.
2 hours later.
Oh boy, I'm like beat after skipping them rocks for like 30 minutes. Still got about, I don't even know, I don't even think we're halfway done.
I can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask, don't play pretend.
You know you left me lonely, I could tell them the whole story. It may take a couple hours, I've got time, let's get to chat. How could I explain the situation? Man, it's so damn complicated. Where do I start, where do I end? I should go back to bed. I'm going back to all the basics, teaching myself now how to erase it. It's like learning a whole new language, and I'm afraid, too scared to face it. I just want consistent clarity, but all my thoughts destroying me. Some peace of mind is all I need to give peace to all of my family. I can't go back to you, my friend. Don't even ask, don't play pretend. You think you are everything I need, but I gotta leave.
Oh my goodness. Made it finally to the end. It is 5 o'clock now. Huh? Oh my god. My ass and back are so fucking numb. It's like my upper ass cheeks are just non-existent now.